UCG organizes virtual workshop on intellectual property rights. Indira Gandhi National Open University launches MA in Urban Studies in ODL mode. Delhi's Skill University begins prelims for National Environment Youth Parliament 2022. CBSE to organize Science Challenge for students of class 8 to 10. Bihar Board Examinations 2022. State to vaccinate both students by January 26th. Students demand exam postponement as state clash with counselling process. Good afternoon and warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where you get to watch the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Balaji reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are. The University Grants Commission on Monday organized an online workshop for the universities and colleges on intellectual property rights. Professor Rajneesh Jain, Secretary UGC, highlighted the importance of IPR and its importance in the image of the country and its relevance in building the knowledge pool of the country and its legal aspects. Neta Prasad, Joint Secretary, Department of Higher Education, Ministry of Education, Shri Rajendra Ratnam, Joint Secretary, DPIIT and CGD PTM, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, and Professor Rajneesh Jain, Secretary of UGC, addressed the inaugural sessions of the program. The inaugural sessions was followed by the technical session, which was addressed by the experts from the field of intellectual property rights that will give an overview of the theme. The Indira Gandhi National Open University has launched MA program in Urban Studies in the open and distance learning mode from January session. The School of Extension and Development Studies, Indira Gandhi National Open University, will offer MA program in January and July admission cycle every year. The graduate can apply for MA program in ignou.admissions.samrat.edu.in. As urbanization is taking place at a faster scale and planned urbanization is the need of the hour, this program will be not only helpful for the in-service personnel working in the urban sector, parallel bodies and urban local bodies, but also learn from various disciplines such as sociology, economics, political science and other subjects who want to pursue a career in urban development. The Delhi Skill and Entrepreneurship University has begun the prelims for the National Environment Youth Parliament 2022. The National Environment Youth Parliament 2022 Nurturing Environment Leaders is being organized by the PSG amongst the universities across the country to sensitize the youth about the prevailing environmental problems posing a serious threat to the safety and welfare of the humans. Now that the decision on environmental concerns has begun amongst students, and our aim is to ensure that we continue this path and encourage our students to solve the most complex problems of the 21st century and find a way to create the sustainable future, said DSEU Vice Chancellor Niharika Vora. The Central Board of Secondary Education has announced a science challenge for the students of classes 8 to 10. The board is conducting the challenge as an initiative to generate curiosity, inquiry, and higher order thinking amongst the learners. In an age where science and technology are virtual factors to understand the world. The CBSE Science Challenge will be available on Diksha platform from January 17 to February 28, 2022. The challenge will be available in both Hindi and English and can be taken by the students across the boards with no participation fee. CBSE affiliated schools are required to register their students at cbse.gov.in. Once registrations, they will be received the registration IDs that the students will have to use to be able to access the challenge and the platform. Students on the schools are not affiliated with the CBSE and can access the challenge on the platform directly. As board examination season is approaching closer, the State Health Department has geared up the jab to students who are likely to take the board examination in the coming months before Jan 26, said officials. On Friday late evening, the Health Department issued the letter to all the district magistrates and civil surgeons for constituting task force for inoculating board students in the age group of 15 to 18 years on priority basis. Additional Chief Secretary of Health Department said statewide drive for vaccinating between 15 to 18 years of age is already going on. As a large number of students are expected to participate in the state board exams and other education board exams in the coming months, we aim to vaccinate all students falling in the eligible age group category before Jan 26. National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test PG 2022 aspirants have demanded that this year examinations to be postponed as the dates clash with the 2021's counselling process. The aspirants state that the students who do not get the seats in the counselling will not be able to appear for the exam since the dates are very close to each other. The government had earlier released a schedule stating that the NEET PG 2022 will be held on March 12. The third round of counselling of NEET PG 2021 will happen on March 16. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, do log on to our website enn.com and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Balaji.